Cuts and scrapes is the second point about the guideline that they have provided us. Clean the wound. Rinse out the wound with clean water to clean the area around the wound. Use soap and a washcloth, but soap can irritate the wound. So try to keep out of the actual wound. If dirt or debris remains in the wound after washing, use tweezers cleaned with alcohol to remove the particles. If debris still remains, see your doctor. Through cleaning reduces the risk of infection and tetanus. So this is the second guideline that they have provided to us, which is about cleaning the wound. So what is the next point that you are supposed to do it? You are supposed to clean the area around the wound with a clean or clear water. And here you are also told that you can use a soap or a you can also wash it with the cloth. But as you know that using a soap can irritate the wound, so it is good to keep it away from actual wound and clean the area with the water and soap. And you know that that part or the sensitive area, you must not use a soap, because without reaching to the wound you may use a soap over there, because around that part you can use a soap. So if you see still you see some dirt particles in the wound, now here you can use a clinical tweezer, which is used to pick up some small objects like dirt or debris found in a wound. So now again, if you can see some debris or dirt in your wound, then you see your doctor, because your wound should be free from infection or tetanus. And the very word tetanus, dear students, as you know that it is a disease which is caused by the infection of open wound. Like if you're keeping your wound very open, then you may get some germs or infection. So this is called tetanus. Okay, some of the phrases that I have underlined over here: to clean, to keep, to remove. These are all infinitive, because to plus first form of verb, and then washing is gerund over here. And the rest of the words like rinse means that use water to clean something. And debris, discarded refuge. And then you have the word tweezer. Tweezer is a clinical instrument that is used by mostly by the doctor. And how it is used, it is basically a tool to pick up some small objects. And then you have the next very word, that is tetanus. Tetanus, as I've told you, this is a disease which is caused by the infection of open wound, that if you are keeping it. And then another word is cleaning and washing. This is gerund over here.